Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will talk about how you can fix your ear speaker or your earpiece is not working on your iPhone. Although we have iPhone 12 right here, so we had the same problem recently, therefore we have decided to make this video. Not only us, but also there are a lot of people are having the same problem, therefore we have decided to make this video to help you guys all out. Now, to fix that problem, the very first things I want you to do is simple. Go ahead and turn on that Hear Aid compatibility on your iPhone. Now to do it, go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down to your accessibility. Go ahead and scroll down to your hearing device. And now, go ahead and toggle on your hearing aid compatibility on your iPhone. Now after that, go ahead and check whether you're being able to hear properly from your ear speaker or not. Now let's say I've turned on but it didn't work out, and don't worry. The next thing I want you to do is simple. Now go ahead and open up your settings. Scroll down to your Bluetooth. And now go ahead and turn off your Bluetooth. Now if you ask why you need to turn off the Bluetooth, because if your iPhone is connected wirelessly to any other device, then most likely you're gonna get, or your iPhones won't be able to provide the sound from your ear speaker. Now, after turning off your Bluetooth, if you're still having the problem, the next things you want to do, just go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down to your accessibility one more time and scroll down to touch. And scroll down. Now go ahead and tap call audio routing. So go ahead and tap on here and make sure to tap speaker. Now after that, your problem will be solved. Now let's say you have tried the three processes that we have showed you earlier. Then if none of those work, the next things I want you to do is simple. Go ahead and clean your ear speaker to fix your problem. Alright guys, now to clean your ear speaker, you simply can grab your brush and you can keep pushing it inside of your ear speaker to clean the dirt or particle that can get stuck on top of your ear speaker. Now after cleaning it, your problem will be solved. Now even after doing that, if you're still unable to fix your problem, last but not least thing that you can try to do on your iPhone to fix your problem is reset all settings. Now to do that on your iPhone, the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down to your general, scroll down to your reset options. Now go ahead and select this option called reset all settings. Now enter your passcode. Well, now this says this will reset all settings. However, that will not be deleting your content that you have on your iPhones. Now after you see this option, go ahead and tap reset all settings and do it twice, and afterward your iPhone will take auto restart and your problem will be fixed. Well, after doing reset all settings, if you're still having problem, that means it can be the problem related to the hardware issues, and in that case, you gotta take your iPhone to the Apple Care. Hopefully they will fix your problem for yourself. Alright guys, so that's all about this video. Hopefully this video is useful. If you find it useful as well, be sure to hit the like button and feel free to subscribe to this channel, or if you guys have anything to ask, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you next time.